Hey YouTube, it's Stinking Favorite John back for more pack openings after 3 or 4 months because I didn't have enough money on passing. So I'm gonna be doing my tin opening for the first time and using this camera. I'm gonna be opening line of ZenMaister. That is what it's called. So this is my first tin opening of this generation. So using keys. Hey. So these cards won't be for trade. Not bad. So this thing. Yeah. Line up with ZenMaister. For the cards that you always get from these packs are Secret ZenMaister, Secret Part things, or Sad, I don't know. Marshmallow Crestia, Homerfield Gaia, and Super Part as well. So packs that comes in this tin are 2 Thor Ragnar, Extreme Victory, and 2 Arsenal Trishla's Triumph. Let's start with Trishla's, the hint Arsenal. Get a Secret Cheryl L. Dragon Film, Material Ragweed, Secret Guards of Dice Barrier, and Warlock of Dice Barrier. So I'm really hoping for a Ghost Spirit, because I never got one in the 10 before, so second hand Arsenal pack, Synchro, Fable Unicorn, or Unicorn, the King Partan, how you say, giving me Brandy stock, Defend with the Ice Barrier, and they're giving me Chaplain. Now for the King Victory. This will be back to box. First card is Axe Dragon Mew. Second, Time Blast. Kafui model number 2024. Hidden Sheath, I believe. Reboot. Necro Defender. Regular. Older the 6 Hammer. TGX1HL. 6 style dual wheel. and Gladiator Beast Tetris. First store the Ragnarok. First is Top Runner. Second is Wachi. Third is Warm Shady Lips. Hourglass Purge. Escapism Artistic Samurai. Resonator Engine. Nordic Hub. Game. Hagen Lisa, the Six Samurai, and Mika Ball. Now, last pack of the video. So I believe it's the 34th card from the pack. I'm trying to get it without looking. Four. That's 5. This one. So, just while looking at these cards, it's just a regular rare. So, I've got Courage. Mimir, the North Extended. Black Boots. Kaukui Ninja Mao 919 York. Quick. Nutgrove Track here. Relic Version. Resonator Engine. And Kaukui Watchdog 313 size. So these are all cards that come with the rares. Last Kaukui Galatami. Now these are all cards that got me back. So, why don't you guys leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my Facebook, Twitter, and my Tumblr for just like give thumbs up or follow them. I feel like things. Oh yeah, the question of the day. So my family and my friends are telling me this a lot. There's this YouTuber who my family and friends say that he looks like me, and it's a thing. So this YouTuber's name is NeoGameSpark. You can check his channel out right here. And my family's friends and say that looks just like me. So he wears glasses, so I'm gonna put on these glasses. So can you guys tell me if he looks like me? Just say yes or no, or like tell him like, oh hey, there's a YouTuber who looks just like you. So here's the front side, close up side, and side. So can you guys just say do I look like NeoGameSpark? So leave your answer in the comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya. Let me start just like a video. So this is being Fit, and I'm signing out. See you.
Damn. Man, I'm tired as fuck. I only got like 12 hours of sleep last night. Man. But yo, Shout out to T-Dub on the beat. You know, I was too lazy to make my own. So like, you know, he hooked it up and all that. But, I mean, don't get me wrong, you know, it's not like I'm not lazy, don't be a hater. I could do it now, but I'd rather do it later. I guess you can call me somewhat a procrastinator. And if something don't add up, just pull out the calculator later. Oh man, here we go again. Another damn song featuring one of my friends. Oh shit, I'm supposed to pick his ass up. I'm comfortable as fuck, yo homie, you out of luck.